Have you ever attended a police motorcycle rodeo or watched one of the viral videos on YouTube? This is the ultimate demonstration of skill and what total control of a motorcycle looks like. Now, have you ever attended a bike night or any other motorcycle event? You will see the exact opposite. Most riders display a lack of confidence during their low-speed maneuvers and end up doing the embarrassing duck walk around the parking lot. You could ride every single day for 30 years and never acquire the motor officer skills that I'm about to teach you. These skills are not natural. They are the complete opposite of your instincts and must be learned through police-style motorcycle training. And that's exactly what we teach at ProRider. Take a close look at this video. These bikers only had a few hours with me in my course. They are now able to fully lock those handlebars and do a complete circle going only 2 or 3 miles an hour. They will never duck walk or drag their feet like a rookie rider again. They are in control and it shows. They are now able to apply our emergency braking techniques to effectively stop their motorcycle 10 to 15 feet sooner than they ever could. They will never use the false excuse of they had to layer it on to avoid the accident. They are now confident, much safer, and more skilled than 90% of the riders out on the road. Police Motor School is the reason why motormen are some of the best and safest riders in the world. This training was once only available to police officers. Now you can learn the same secrets to mastering your ride. Not close to one of our locations? We got you covered. You can now purchase the best instructional video to ever hit the motorcycle community. You're going to get a detailed step-by-step breakdown of motor officer training. ProRider grew to become your largest and most trusted name when it comes to teaching police motor officer skills to all riders. We are certified police motor instructors with the most up-to-date training available. We have trained hundreds of police motorcycle officers and we continue to certify them yearly. We have also trained several thousand civilian riders at our ProRider training facilities located all across America. Guess who Hollywood and Sony Pictures trust to train their actors for motorcycle movie scenes? That's right, ProRider. We are your #1 trusted source for police-style motorcycle training. Our instructors are highly trained with many years of experience. We also compete in police motorcycle rodeos all over the country, and we brought home countless trophies. Our instruction will show that, as professional police motor instructors, we're using a basic set of skills and a very understandable method to break down complex maneuvers into digestible pieces. We can teach almost any seasoned rider something new within the first few minutes, while simultaneously teaching that same skill to a beginner, and we're doing just that. You asked, and we listened. With this new video, we can reach riders near and far who don't have access to our classes, may be intimidated by a group setting, or simply just want to train at their own pace. We reveal tips and tricks that you cannot find in any other video. We are about to change your riding skills and safety forever. I'm going to show you everything you need to take your skills to a completely new level. I know this works. It's proven. I have put thousands of experienced riders through my step-by-step program, and the results are truly amazing. You will see a dramatic change in just a few short hours. You can do all lessons in one day, like our students at our training facilities, or you can really focus on and master 1 or 2 lessons a day with this video. Make sure you don't skip anything, especially in the beginning. This is where the magic happens. This is where you want to pay close attention, learn, and apply all the little techniques so you can finally lock those bars and lean your bike like the pros do it. I truly want you to succeed by becoming a highly skilled and much safer rider. Trust me, if you follow this training, you will be riding like a motor cop in no time. In fact, several of our ProRider graduates now compete in motorcycle rodeos. Will you be next? Earning a trophy for your riding skills is so much better and more rewarding than winning one for a custom paint job or a piece of chrome you bought. You don't have a desire to compete? That's fine. These skills can save you and your passenger's life. You can purchase my video course right now. Yes, even if it's 2 a.m. in the morning. You will be able to get immediate access and view this training right on your computer, your tablet, or your smartphone, and start this training right now. Thanks for watching. We look forward to training with you. Train hard and ride safe.